So guys, I lost my phone. Iwan ko yung phone ko sa taxi dito, sa Yandex taxi nila dito. So guys, I lost my phone. Iwan ko yung phone ko sa taxi dito, sa Yandex taxi nila dito. And ito, imi-meet namin yung driver. Di ko alam kung makukuha ulit namin. Tinry namin siyang tawagan. Yun, nawala siya 5 p.m. Naiwan ko sa taxi sa Yandex. And then just now, nagsumagot yung driver na nasa kanya nga yung phone ko. So, I hope nga na makuha natin ang ating phone. Yes. So yun, imimit namin yung driver. So guys, I have a Armenian local here. He has a travel and tour company here in Dubai. So he's just helping me out right now to get my phone back. Yes, mababait ang mga taga-Armenia dito. Lost and found.
In Armenia. There is movie in Armenia like that, Lost and Found in Armenia.
Yeah. But you know, the other guy that I've met here, when I told him that I lost my phone, I dropped my phone in the taxi, he said, "You're so lucky because not all Armenian are like this." And you know what I said? I told him, there's a lot of good people here in Armenia. Correct?
It's right.
Same like you, right?
So much. Should be like this.
What's the name of your travel and tours?
Boutique Apartments and Tours Armenia.
Again?
Boutique Apartments and Tours Armenia.
Boutique Apartments and Tours Armenia. So guys, kung gusto nyo ng trusted na company dito, pag pumunta kayo dito sa Armenia, just go to his Instagram. The same Instagram, right?
And Facebook.
Instagram and Facebook. So yung link niya ilalagay natin sa description below. So puntahan nyo lang siya. So para meron sa kayong reliable person na mag-guide through sa inyo. Sa inyong mga travels yun na hindi kayo lolokohin at sisingilin ng malaki. Yun. So tayo na natin sila. Tayo na natin yung driver, guys. Guys, I got my phone back. This is the driver, guys. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you. So guys, nakuha na yung phone ko. Finally.
It's open.
See? No, it's not. It's locked.
Nice.
Yes.
Again, phone is very important.
Yes.
All the information is there.
So guys, parang Dubai lang to na kapag naiwan mo yung gamit mo, pwedeng may pag-asang makuha mo pa kahit mamahalin yung gamit mo. So, travel na doon sa Armenia. Lamig. Akala ko masisira ang aking entire trip because I lost my phone, but it's a test. It meant to happen to see how good Armenians are. Dinaanan natin kanina, it's parang mall nila dito, underground mall nila dito sa Armenia. Day 5. Guapings, diba? Guapings. He looks like an actor. Aywa.
Not really.
So are you married?
No.
Oh, so you're looking for someone. So you like which nationality?
This same. I'm always working with Filipina.
Aywa, Filipina.
Always 8 years already. Like
So what you love about Filipina people?
everything. Kindness.
Ay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Kind, right?
Yes.
People
So
like
guys, single oh, yung mga naghahanap diyan ng nila, baka ito nang hinanap ninyo. So follow nyo lang kanyang Instagram and i-message nyo siya.
Yeah, we'll just put the links later
Yes.
down below.
Woo, lamig. Look, my face too hot oh. At your face
And we
now.
showed the Christmas market for everyone.
Okay guys, pakita namin yung Christmas tree. Nagpe-prepare na sila dito. Look. See? Spirit of Christmas, nabalik yung phone ko. It's time to celebrate because I found my phone. So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa yes, nakuha ko ang aking phone. At ito ang dalawang Pilipinang tumulong sa akin sa pagganap ng aking phone.
Motivated.
Yes.
Thank you, Kuya. Thank you.
So guys, nandito tayo sa... Where are we right now?
We are in Calumet House.
Yes.
Yerevan.
Yerevan. How this has been built since when? For how long this club already?
I remember 10 years ago.
Yes. So guys, look at... Tingnan nyo naman yung ano nila, kung anong itsura ng... Oh.
Very famous as a tourist.
See? Ayan. Actually guys, dito nung sa Armenia na nakilala ko, sabi, hindi sila dito mahilig, hindi uso sa kanila dito yung mga dancing, yung DJ, yung party tulad sa Dubai. Mostly dito is pub.
Yeah.
Pub lang.
Pub talaga.
And second, hindi rin uso dito yung mga video okay mga hindi rin. Puro pub lang talaga.
Parang ano na, ganito. Lahat
Ganito
pub
lang.
Tapos mga underground,
Yes.
yes. Nila set up.